A little while back, I started completing a bathroom in my new addition, and after I completed part of the process, I decided I should stop photographing it and start videotaping it as a work in progress. Here you can see I started putting the ceramic tile down on an orange mat which is called the Dietra Schluter system. It is a mat specifically designed for ceramic and stone tile installations. It prevents uncoupling and provides waterproofing vapor management and heavy load distribution to ensure the durability and integrity of tile installations. So today we're going to be completing a backsplash on an attic bathroom. We have a upstairs loft bedroom and a bathroom attached to it with a tub and toilet and sink. We've already done the tile on the floor, but we need to complete the backsplash, so come with me. Check this out. We got it apart right now. As you can see, we've gotten the tile on the floor. Sink is removed, toilet's removed. Tile on the tub surround with the aluminum trim strip. All my spacers in there to keep the tiles in the right place. But we want to put a tile backsplash against that wall to the height of the bottom of the window. So first off, as you can see, this window I got it secondhand at a thrift store, and you can see it was built for a 2x6 wall, and this is not a 2x6 wall, it's thinner, so I have to build it out. I have to put a 2x4 here, surround it, and then we can add our trim strips and build our tile to that trim strip based on the height of the 2x4, which will eventually build that out to get a nice piece of trim around it, and it will look normal and natural, hopefully. That's the idea anyway. So I'm gonna cut some 2x4s to get them around the window, and we'll start there. All right, gonna measure the size first to 34 5/8. Then we will cut. There we go. We have our two pieces for the sides. Let's do the second one. Now we can measure for cutting the top and bottom piece. Okay, time to start putting up tile. We start with these aluminum trim strips, which just create a nice edge for the tile to finish to on the top edge. You can see I've measured up and put this one here. That is where the top edge of our tile will finish off. It's to the right and to the left of the window. So, I'm going to put a laser line in place to help align the tile as I put it up. We're going to start mixing and start putting tile up, and we'll see how it goes. We also have these leveling strips. I'll show you how these go. These go in between. Once you set a piece of tile down, you slide this under the tile, and you put this between the two, and it helps level each tile out next to the one next to it, so they're all nice and smooth. Let's do it. Also, you want to basically butter the back side of the tile. This ensures good coverage on both the tile itself and the wall. just all around be better for when the mortar sets, dries, hardens, and everything will work out good. And this is where I will add these pieces, which help lock each tile into each other. And you'll see how these operate once I get to the next tile. Add a spacer here, and a spacer here. Add another one here. Another one here. This is how these work. Take the ramp. You see this tile is a little bit unlevel from the other tile. I don't know if this video will show that, but put this in here, push it tight, and it forces the two tiles to be level with each other. And so your finished product will be nice and smooth, uniform, and level, hopefully. But it definitely helps a lot with that process.